Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel everyone. My name is Kritika and I am right now a final year medical student, and along with that, as you can already see, I am all surrounded with books which I love dearly, and I love to read. ऑलरेडी दिख रहा है, ठीक है। मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है पढ़ने में। तो फिर ये मेरे को ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है पढ़ते हुए। मैं आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग अराउंड 2 to 3 years बैक। in school time I used to read, but then NEET and all that I stopped reading, and recently तो नहीं कहेंगे, 2-3 साल हो गए हैं, but I love to read। और इस चक्कर में I bought lot of books and most of them are unread, so today we will go through all my unread books. These are all the books which I have not read yet. ये मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है, and I realize, let me flex, and I realize कि I don't remember all the books which I own. Recently I was this close to buying a book which I already own. पैसे बर्बाद हो जाते यार मेरे, so I need to make a list. Earlier I used to make this कि these are the books I own and these are in my TBR. TBR is to be read. If you don't know and if you're not a bibliophile, that's why I said that. And I don't like the Goodread app, and I am sure whoever had used Goodread can agree with me that that app needs an update. It really needs an update यार, वो app खराब हो गया। So I have a new app. I found a new app on Play Store. Let me show you. It goes by the name Bookshelf, and in this I will record all my books which I currently have. Hopefully it will help me organize my books, and let's see how many books I own. And this which I'm surrounded with, this is only the fictional part of my TBR. For non-fiction part I'll make another video, I don't know, but this is only the fiction. Let's see what all I own. I'm super excited. I hope so are you. So in this video I'll try to recall all the various reasons which I gave myself before buying the book. You know, I have to convince myself that I need this book. कि ये reason है तो पढ़ लेते हैं यार. So the first book which I have is 100 Years of Solitude by Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Please spare my pronunciations. Please, I beg you. Okay, I love to read, but these names, they're the best tongue twisters for me. I cannot pronounce them very nicely. This 100 Years of Solitude, I wanted to read this. I wanted to read this for a long time. I have it. I don't know when I will read it. Okay, let's see. Then I have this, The Birthing House by Christopher Ransom. This book I got in a mystery box. The worst decision of my life was buying a mystery box. This is a horror book. I don't like horror. Not in real life, not in movies, not in books. That's it. I don't know if I will ever read it or not. Then there is The Rosie Project by Graeme Simmonson. I don't know. And it is a cute book. I think there is a movie adaptation of this book also. I like the cover. I like all the reviews written on it, and the storyline, which was short storyline given on each book. I liked it, so I bought it. Then Matilda by Roald Dahl. The first ever book I read. This book, I was very small, yaar. I read it in school, I read in middle school, I guess. I know it's not a book for middle school kids, but I read it at that time, and I loved it. I fucking love it, and I'll read it again and again and again whenever I get time. Okay. Now another book, Dan Brown, Inferno. Seriously, I haven't read any books from Dan Brown, so I'm not gonna judge it. But this is a book I bought for my brother because he said he wants something from the Dan Brown, and when I bought it he said कि Inferno तो मैंने देख रखी है, तो ये book तो मैं नहीं पढ़ रहा. And I was a little bit upset, I guess. Okay, next book. Everless by Sarah Holland. I bought it a long time ago. I don't even remember why I bought it. There are many books here which I don't remember I have bought it. Now the next one is Mrs. Funny Bone by Twinkle Khanna. This will be the last book I'll read, I guess, if I ever finish my TBR, supposedly. I bought this book only and only because After a certain amount of money, I was getting a free shipping, so I thought that I'll buy a 50 rupees book rather than giving a 50 rupees shipping. If you are a bookworm, you will understand this line that I just said. Next one is If There Is No Tomorrow by Jennifer A.R. I'm not gonna read that. By Jennifer. And I really I have heard very good things about Jennifer and I want to give it a try. So I just bought it impulsively, thinking that Jennifer is an awesome author, even though I have not read anything from her. Next up, I have two hardbacks to show you. First one is Threadneedle by Carrie Thomas. This book, when it came, it was a hype among bookstagrams. I really wanted to read it at that time, but didn't. Of course, I didn't get to read it, but I own it now. Look at its dedication. Magic is love, and love is magic. They destroy everything in the end. It's gonna be heartbreaking, I guess, but I'm in for it. So we'll see. And then there is Once Upon a Broken Heart by Stephanie Garber. I have heard so many good things about this book and I always wanted to get my hands on it, and then finally one day the opportunity arrived on a Telegram group which I am a part of, and I got it at a very amazing price over there. Love it, love it, love it. Haven't read it though. Next up, I have this beautiful book, P.S. I Love You by Cecilia Ahern. There is a movie adaptation also of it. I don't know, I'm not sure, but just look at it. Just appreciate its beauty. It's beautiful, yeah. This, and I have the second installment in series Postscript as well, because एक बुक खरीदते हो तो उसका दूसरा पार्ट भी तो खरीदोगे ना, जैसा आपने फर्स्ट बुक ना पढ़ी हो, but you gotta read on it. Okay, so next up I have again the same reason. For my brother I got that I See You. He still haven't read it. I don't know if I'll ever read it. देखते हैं. Next up I have Talk Bookish to Me. हाय, इसका तो मैंने बस नाम पढ़ के खरीद ली थी. मैंने इसके रिव्यूज़ भी देखे, मैंने कुछ नहीं देखा, बस नाम है टॉक बुकिश टू मी. I'll buy it. करती हूँ मैं भी. Next up, very overhyped book का Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. You must have heard about this book. It's awesome apparently, and I'll read it one day. I wanted to read it so bad, but time nahi mila. Then I have The Unhoneymooners. Interesting name. Hence, direct to my TV. I'll buy it. Interesting name. I'll buy that. And next up we have, look at this beauty. Just look at it closely. The Book Thief. There are many covers of this book, and I desperately wanted to buy on this cover. So I waited for very long time. And finally I got it at a very good price also. Although it is a pre-loved book and it's not in a very good situation right now, but I love it all the same. It's a beautiful book, The Book Thief. Apparently it makes you cry. I'm in for it. I'll cry reading it, of course. Let's see. Next up I have Tuesday with Morrie. Very famous book. Hence I bought it. Then Jane Austen. Mansfield Park. I loved this collection. This beautiful green color it has. So I bought it. मुझे नहीं पता था ये book किस बारे में क्या है. I just bought it, and I bought this book along with many others over here in I don't know, it was a kind of a book fair in which there were boxes and you buy a box and you stuff all the books you can in that box. So this is small, this is cute, and I stuffed it in. And a similar collection I have Emma. I have heard it is a good book by Jane Austen again. It's a Penguin popular classic. Just look at it, yeah, look at it. How can you not love this book just by looking at it? Next up is V.E. Schaub's Vicious. She is one of the authors which I wanted to read for a long time. She comes on my feeds regularly and I kind of like her stories, but I never got a chance to own any books. So recently, this is one of my newest collections in my TBR. Look at the cover. Isn't it interesting? It's based in a magical world and it's a fantasy, I guess. We'll see how it goes. The next up is again a beautiful book, and I have heard many good things about this book. That is Daughter of Smoke and Bone by Lynn Taylor. I don't know much about it except that it's a fantasy book, and I'm in for fantasy. Fantasy is my favorite kind of books. Then a very classic book, To Kill a Mockingbird. Still haven't read it. I'm sorry. Then comes another classic which I haven't read, Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Why haven't I read it? I also don't know. Although I saw the series on Netflix and it was so good. One day, hopefully, I'll read it. Then again, I don't know why I bought it. I just love, I guess I like the, the title of this book. It is First Love and the Diary of Superfluous Man. Let's see how it is. I don't know. It's very small book. I got it with that box deal I told you about recently, and it was easy to get it in the box. Rakhi lo bhai, jagah mil rahi hai to rakho. Another is again a classic. I will show you the text. It is The Great Gatsby. मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने बोला है कि तू पढ़ूंगी मैं किसी दिन तो पढ़ूंगी, ज़रूर पढ़ूंगी मैं इसे. ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन. Again, a new cute book, I guess. What to Say Next. I didn't have much expectations from this book. I only bought it because ये मेरे shipping के charges बचा रही थी, तो I guess ले लेते हैं. बुक मिल रही है, shipping charges लो तो of course I'll buy a book यार. So that's it. And then let me put down. Then I have King of Scars. I love Shadow. I have read the whole series till I have read Shadow and Moon. I have read Six of Crows, both the books. The King of Scars and the Rule of Wolves is what is left, and hopefully I'll complete them soon. Rule of Wolves I don't own right now. Maybe one day it will come. I'll see it in a good price and I'll buy it. So King of Scars is one of the most anticipated read of mine. I love to read it. Then you can already see the books online. 1,000 Splendid Sun. I don't know why I haven't read it. It's anything by Khalid. You're supposed to read it as soon as you own it, right? But I will someday. I just don't feel like crying much these days. I'm in happy mood, so I don't want to spoil it. Next one is a book, a beautiful book. I read only one chapter of it. Beautiful Creatures. I wanted it for a long time and I finally found it. Although I don't like the cover, a cover on which the people are there, I don't prefer them. But it was the only available cover, so I bought it. Okay. Now another book, The Splendor Falls. I got it in a mystery book box and I regret it. Although I'll read it maybe on the last, जब मेरा बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं बचेगा पढ़ने के लिए, जब पता नहीं वो दिन कब आया, क्योंकि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी बहुत किताबें हैं. So next up we have The White Tiger by Aravind Adiga. See, Indian author name so easy to read. पता नहीं, पर छोड़ो. The White Tiger, The Man, Booker Prize winner. इससे आगे कुछ चाहिए किताब खरीदने के लिए रीज़न? मुझे तो नहीं लगता. Next one is a cute romance, I guess, The Kiss Quotient. I was very hyped to read it, but not anymore. I don't know why, but I'll read it someday, I guess. Then comes One Day. It's a very popular book, hence it is in my TBR. I don't know when I'll read it. Next up is this book. I'm sure if you must have heard of this book. It's an awesome book, I guess. Her reviews are like, I haven't seen any negative review till now. I'm yet to see one. Then again, a book by Indian author I haven't read, The Trouble with the Rose. I bought it because it was a pretty cover. Just look at it. And then another one of the most anticipated romance read. It only happens in movies. I have heard so many good things about this book, right? I can't wait to read this. And again, I have one or more of Khalid and The Mountain Eagle. I know this is an awesome book, but I don't know when I will read this. Hopefully soon I'll read it. Then one of the very popular books, The 5 People You Meet in the Heaven. One day I'll meet those 5 people, but for now I'll read the book. Then again a crime book which I got in a mystery box. I haven't read it. My brother has one of the books he has read and enjoyed, to be frank. And he said it's awesome, but I just can't relate to the story after 2 chapters, so I put it down every single time. Maybe one day. How the books are in one day only. One of the first books I booked online. One of the first books. Before this whole collection came into existence, this was there. To Kill a Kingdom. Let's see how it is. And again, one of the initial books I owned is Cinderella is Dead. I almost got it like 2.5 years ago, and it stays on my TBR. Now I guess we are done with all my single books. Now sorry, collection वाले books. Collection वाले books से मेरा मतलब है which have a series in them, right? So the first one I guess I'll show you The Red Queen by Victoria Aveyard. I read a few chapters initially, but then I don't know why I stopped reading it. Maybe something came up, most probably, so I didn't get a chance to read it. Very nice book. And in Red Queen, I guess I own 3 books. Red Queen, then King's Cage is there, and then Monstrom is there. Although I am missing Glass Sword. You know what happened? I didn't realize that already have King's Cage except the Glass Sword, and I bought a second King's Cage. And that time I realized कि मुझे लिस्ट बनानी ही पड़ेगी अपनी किताबों की, नहीं तो मैंने ऐसे ही करते रहना है. तो this book is behind all that. Okay, so next one I have Cassandra Clare. I mean, who doesn't know her? Cassandra Clare is like very popular. I have Lady Midnight Connection of her. All the 3 books I have, and all the 3 in the same pattern. Like I'll show you it. This is the second book, okay, and then this is the third book. Just look at it. Just look how beautiful it is. पता नहीं ये सीरीज में कम पढ़ पाऊंगी, but मजा आ जाता है यार अपनी किताबों को देख के. पढ़ने में कितना आएगा, देखने में कितना आ रहा है. Now next up we have another classic which is I guess favorite movie of many people, Me Before You. Most of you must have watched it, yeah, right? And I have the second installment in the series, After You. One day I read it again. I'll think of it one day. पता नहीं कितनी बार बोलती हूँ I read 1 chapter online. Okay, all these books are available online, of course, you know that. I read 1 chapter and I was like, अब तो series खरीदनी पड़ेगी यार. It's a 3-book long series and I have all the 3. Let me show you. This is Furibone, King's Blade, and Lightbringer. I love it. But the only thing is Furibone. Wait a minute. Time. I'll show you. Look at this. Kingsbane and Furibone are in perfect size. Then why the Lightbringer is in bigger size? What are you doing, Mr. Publisher? Why aren't they in same size? I try to love it. Okay. Next up, another. I guess I only read 1 chapter and I was hooked. So of course I read the whole series. ये कोई पूछने वाली बात रह गई क्या फिर? The second series, Fire. Okay. Graceling हो गया, Fire हो गया. Fatal Blue. Then there is Winter Cave. Again, why the fuck? Why the hell is Winter Cave bigger than all the 3 books? What are you doing? It doesn't look good. It doesn't feel good. Next up, Shatter Me. How can I not have Shatter Me in my collection, you know? The only problem with this book I have is it's pirated. I hate pirated books. I bought it from Amazon. Never ever buy any book from Amazon. Never. Amazon sells pirated books. And this breaks my heart, so I'm not even gonna look at it for much time. Although I got Restore Me in original. I got it from a private bookstore who was selling it at a very good price. But don't buy pirated books. It breaks your heart. Then again a classic series I have. Divergent. I have Divergent, Insurgent and 4 although it's a 4-book series, I am missing Allegiant. I'm searching for it. To be very honest, I'm really searching for Allegiant in a good price. Haven't got it very much on a good price and in the same format. These three are like the same. I'm not getting anything in the same scenario right now. Then we have A Suitable Boy by Vikram Seth. I have divided in 2 volumes. I don't know why I bought it. I bought it in that book fair with 2 books. Vikram Seth I saw and I just bought it. I have heard a few times about this book and I think it will be a good book. Yeah. Then I have one of the very first series I ever bought. I still haven't read it, yaar. I'm so sad. The Folk of Air series by Holly Black. Very famous, very famous. I am desperate to read about Cardinal Jude's story, but I don't know what happened. I forget about it. I don't know. I read it. And then again another series, Serpent and Dove. I have 2 books in this collection. One I still have to buy. It's an anticipated read. Let's see how it goes. I can't say much about it. Although it's a fantasy book, so I bought it. You must have observed that most of my books are fantasy. I love fantasy, yeah. In fantasy creatures, I love Fae the most. If there is a Fae-based book, I'll buy it. No wonder Sarah J. Maas is my favorite. Okay, then we have the last book. My fiction character is He's Made of Night. This book I only bought it because of the pretty covers. I do things like that, and then I wonder where all my money, pocket money goes. So that's it. That's all of my book collection. That's a lot, right? Chalo. Until next time. Bye.